Hello and welcome to Crypto Cracks. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel I give you all the updates, news, analysis and whatever is going on in the crypto world. If you want to make some money within crypto or you just want to learn about crypto and you like crypto, then you are in the right place. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also share it on your socials so that we can grab more people within this journey of success and be rich, happy and learn a new skill which is going to stay in the world for longer together. So guys, today's video I want to take you through the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart, give you full analysis on where I think the market is going. At the same time, I've got some huge news on XRP, what's going on with XRP, Cardano. At the same time, I've got a massive news on stablecoins and how the US government is also regulating their stablecoin and how that can really affect in a very positive way for crypto. Now, I don't really like government regulations, but it's necessary. It's a necessary evil which we need to have in our life, and it might be that this new regulation, which is being signed off by President Biden right now as we speak, or maybe in the next few days, will help the crypto community overall. At the same time, I've got some good news on mining and how these big giants like Intel and Acer are getting into the mining game and what's going on in the mining market. So before we digress anywhere else, let's crack on with the screens.
So guys, here we are in the screen as usual on the coin market cap. Just to quickly do a full snapshot of the crypto market. So currently we have nearly 13,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, and this number, if you have been watching my videos every week or every month when I do these in-depth analysis, this number has been increasing a lot along with the number of exchanges. I think about 6 months ago this number was about 200 something exchanges and this number was about 8,000 cryptocurrencies. Now we have almost 12,000 to 13,000 cryptocurrencies in the world. The market cap have now reached nearly $2.4 trillion. Again guys, this number was nearly 1.8, 1.9 in September after the crash, and it's very nice to see $2.4 trillion as a market cap in crypto, which is on increasing. For example, on a 24 volume, $113 billion increase volume every 24 hours right now, which is a healthy volume. However, I would like to see this volume to grow up to 140 to 160 billion dollars on a 24-hour basis. Again guys, the interesting thing to see here is the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is now increasing. It was about 42, 44 and it was quite falling down. I think it was at some point 39%, and now you can see Bitcoin gaining the momentum, which is a good sign for crypto market in overall, because every time Bitcoin will gain strength, it means it will strengthen the crypto market because it is the mother of all the crypto with nearly 46% of the dominance in the market, followed by ETH, which is 17.9, 18%. So ETH is strongly holding on to its dominance at the same value, but Bitcoin is continuing to grow, which definitely is a sign that it's now taken that market volume from other altcoins like Solana, Cosmos, Polkadot and other small cryptocurrencies into Bitcoin, as a lot of people are now taking their profits from altcoins and putting into Bitcoin because it's on the bull cycle, and when people will start making their profits with Bitcoin, that money should flow back into the altcoins, which means that the altcoins boom will come. And if we just jump into the market again, 58k right now as the time of the video, nearly 6% increase on 7 days and 3.5% and 3.25% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, same story. Now Ethereum is very slow, and again it's always the case when Bitcoin is shining, Ethereum just stabilize, and once Bitcoin will hit its top mark and have some sort of correction, Ethereum will start to boom. So it's a good time for all the Ethereum holders to continue to hold and possibly buy a bit more Ethereum, but I would recommend just to hold right now so that you can see where the market is heading to. Again in the top two, and Binance coin has now taken over the top third position within the crypto, Cardano followed by fourth, and USDT with the number 5th position. However, one thing interesting which I'd like you to see here is these market caps from Binance to probably Tether is quite nearby. So Cardano and Binance coin is continuously fighting for the third spot, whereas in the top 5 you can see, for example, Ethereum and Bitcoin way ahead of these ones, and these are pretty close, which means they're all fighting for the ranking in the top 10 as well. So this is where the crypto markets are currently. Let's jump into the charts quickly. So here we are in my Bitcoin chart right now. As usual, this is my super bullish zone in the ideal scenario. However, you can see the market crashed here regarding May. This was the China FUD, when China started banning miners and also cryptocurrency in general. Then the market fall down here and then have some parallel moves that stabilize, and then you can see this is my super bullish zone, and this is my bullish zone which I created. It's going all the way to 100k, and as you can see, market start booming again, followed by a slight crash. This was the incline, so if we were crashing, we should follow this line all the way through. You can see that this line has now break out. This is the sign that the Bitcoin will be now parabolically moving upwards. Now, according to this analysis which I've just done now, we should be hitting about 75k on the 3rd of November or the 1st of November. However, I think if Bitcoin will hit its all-time high, we will see 75k very sooner than the 3rd of November, because all-time high will trigger a big surge of investors into Bitcoin, which possibly will bring the price up into this zone, followed by this zone. This is where we want the price to come up to, and as soon as it hits this price, we will see 100k. Now we can see the price, let me just quickly do a drawing here. So we can either see market grow up like this and then coming this way. However, right now I see the market going more like in this way and possibly be hitting 100k. So this is where we are seeing we might have a correction in this zone as well, but I'll be monitoring the market very closely to keep you up to date, guys. But yeah, right now we are seeing a very high upwards trend in the market in the Bitcoin cycle, and as you can see, my indicator is also showing a green dot here, which means in the next 4 hours we're going to be seeing a parabolic, or not parabolic, but an upward move from Bitcoin. So any traders out there, it's a good time to also be trading. Let me just do a one day chart as well. Yes, on the daily as well, it is looking like we're gonna have a bullish tomorrow at the same time. So yeah, right now Bitcoin prices are going up. I've been keeping my eye on the exchanges and my wallets and my accounts, and it's looking quite good. Let's quickly jump into the Ethereum charts as well. So in Ethereum, for example, guys, this is my Ethereum chart. You can see up, down, up, down, up, parallel, and downtrend, and then up again. So this was the last crash we had in Ethereum. We haven't really seen massive moves so far. That's why I'm being very bullish on Ethereum. This was the last all-time high in May, and we are yet to hit this all-time high, possibly about end of this month. However, I think if Bitcoin price continue to flourish, this number can flourish very soon. I'm gonna do a full Ethereum analysis video very soon, probably in the next 2-3 days, just to focus on Ethereum specifically, so we know what's going on. Ethereum again is one of my top holding in my portfolio, and I think it's gonna be the golden coin for this bull run. It's quiet and it's gonna move very fast on the uptrend. This is what the historical data has been telling us in the past as well, and at the end of the bull run is the time when we see the most crazy move towards the uptrend. So yes, right now we are at the end towards the bull run, and we are yet to see some crazy moves, and I think October and November might be a very great month for crypto. This is a crazy news as well. So guys, United States, so let's get into fundamentals as well. So USA have now replaced China as the world's biggest Bitcoin miner. As you remember, China used to be the biggest miner in the world for the last 10 years. Now USA have won that race after the Chinese ban. Now Chinese government, I've been telling you, is not stupid to ban crypto. This is always like a show in the front. I call it political theater, when two big giants are trying to show the world that we are at economical war, but they are actually making inner deals, and China would not let USA win this race unless it's all inside deal at the same time. So you can see China followed by Russia and Kazakhstan, which is the second and the third biggest miners currently in the world, mainly because a lot of miners, when China banned mining, they moved to Russia and Kazakhstan because they share the borders with China, and it was easy for the miners to move their facilities into those countries and still be able to come and visit their family in China because it's just nearby from the countries to country. So yeah, this is another news as well. And another one, again, US claim Bitcoin mining crown following China's crackdown. This is how the mining GPUs look like, in anyone you have not seen. As you can see, Kazakhstan and Russia followed by US with shares of 18.1 and 11% respectively, and then 35%, which is now collectively held by USA. So So now why I think Bitcoin is continuing to growing, and why I think it's going to be greater months for October. So right now Bitcoin short-term supply reaches historical lows. So this is the number we want to see, all-time lows, which is the supply of Bitcoin right now is very, very less in the market, and we might see some manipulation right now from the institution to get you to panic sell. So please do not panic sell. And what does this news means? That there is more people holding Bitcoin than selling Bitcoin, and it's right now only 16% of the people are actually putting their coins out in the market to sell, whereas most of them are long holders because they do believe that the prices are going up, and that's why these people are holding it. Mainly it's the institutions which is running this index towards the low side. And again, when I speak about institutions, institutional investors remain bullish on Bitcoin as market records 8 weeks of inflows. So again, as a sign of how institutions are also holding their Bitcoin right now instead of selling. When it comes to Ethereum, now Ethereum, if you see, I'm going to do a full video on that anyway, so we're going to keep it short. Ethereum latest progress towards this proof of stake. So right now, as you know, proof of stake and proof of work is Ethereum last software upgrade was they're going to put their transactions more towards the proof of stake, which is people staking Ethereum to hold the price rather than miners continue to mine new Ethereum, which is more energy efficient. It keeps the emissions to keep going low as well, which is quite a big thing right now in the world, especially in the Gen Z, who is the main crypto buyer and the user. They are very highly they are highly cautious about the environment and organic and healthy eating and all these things. That's why you can see crypto is also moving towards the same zone. And right now the network health is about 98%, which is a huge number when it comes to Ethereum. And again, Ethereum is burning every single day as well, which again can continue to appreciate the price. The XRP news, guys. So XRP scores major wins as active addresses have now hit all-time high. So which means XRP's active addresses now are very all-time high. There's things called not non-active addresses, which is people just dump the money into a wallet and leave it, whereas XRP active addresses mean people are using XRP a lot. XRP is the coin which is mainly specializing in cross-border payments, so that's why people are now using XRP to pay more and more across the country. Just like, for example, you send money or a transaction from UK to anywhere else through your bank, now you can send it through XRP, and that's where XRP comes in. And one other big news for XRP is Egypt's largest bank have also now joined the Ripple network, and they're allowing Egypt to do cross-border payments. And I think Egypt is one of the top 10 countries, I think, or if not top 5, when it comes to cross-border payments in and out of the country. So that is gonna just bring in a lot of money into XRP, followed by the SEC suit, which is now very much in XRP's favor. It's just about weeks or days when that thing will be in the favor of Ripple. And I can tell you guys, I will do a full video on Ripple as well, but this is gonna make Ripple one of the only coin in the world which is not a security according to the US regulations, and would have gone through all the legal scrutiny, and all the banks will be favoring that. And then the US government will come after Ethereum and Bitcoin and all these other coins, where XRP will continue to grow. So I would highly recommend you all hold your XRP right now. And again, Bitcoin rewards, right? A lot of companies now, Visa-backed cards are now giving Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as your rewards. As you can see, it is now people are favoring Bitcoin. Turned out to be far more attractive price than airline miles or any other cashback rewards right now. So again, a lot of users prefer to have rewards in crypto rather than earning air miles or loyalty points and things like that, which is also a good sign from the retailers and all the adoption which is continuously growing within the world right now for crypto. Now, when it comes to Visa, so Visa is launching the NFT program to support digital artists. So what Visa is doing is Visa is running a big campaign where they are getting major people like major basketball league player Mika Johnson, who also is quite big in crypto and sold his NFT over $1 million dollars worth. They are grabbing these celebrities so that they can start teaching people about crypto and blockchain and the whole industry, in order to get more people, more youngsters to start studying and progressing and finding their careers into the blockchain market and into crypto, which is a big sign. We know when companies like Visa are entering the crypto space, which they have been entering for quite a while, and especially they bought the CryptoPunk NFT for over $1 million, which also triggered the price to go up as well. So again, Visa and companies like MasterCard and other banks will always bring in new crowd into the crypto space. Whilst we are on the NFT, so SpaceBuds marked first NFT sale above $1 million on the Cardano network. So guys, I'm a big fan of Cardano. It's my third biggest holding right now in my crypto portfolio, and I've been shouting about Cardano since the beginning of the bull run. And Cardano recently is starting to approve smart contracts on their blockchain, followed by NFTs. And you can see now the NFT market is booming. The Ethereum market boomed after the NFT. So right now, Cardano just start to create NFTs on their network. SpaceBuds, I think, is a network where they have about 10,000 NFTs right now. I'm going to do a full video on a very good update on NFT, I think, which is crucial for you all. So I highly recommend you log in to see that video. But yes, guys, NFT space is here to stay, and we're gonna actually see a lot of more NFT talks in the future when it comes to crypto, and I will tell you why and what and why you all need to get into the NFT space very, very soon. And also, guys, on this news, I would like to just highlight, it came on in February when Nvidia, which is one of the biggest crypto mining equipment, or the graphics card which is used for mining and also is used for gamers to enhance their gaming consoles and computers. So they limited crypto mining on the new graphics card because there was a big protest from the gamers that they could not buy the graphics card, and the prices also of those graphics card, I think they went 10 times up, and the gamers were quite pissed off because they have to either, first of all, it was sold out, secondly they have to pay way more to just play the games they want to play, and they were quite unhappy. So Nvidia, which is specialized in gaming and not in mining, they banned, or they limited the crypto mining on their graphics card. And now latest, this news just came out on 12th of October, just 2 days ago, where Intel says they won't be limiting any more mining on the new ARC GPUs. So they are now, Intel, a big company, is now entering the mining space where they will allow all the miners to mine buying Intel GPUs rather than the Nvidia ones, and anybody can buy, and they don't have any limit on the crypto mining, which is quite a big thing. So that this will increase. Again, I just told you on the previous news that crypto demand, Bitcoin all-time low supply right now, and this will enhance that as well. So we will see less manipulation, hopefully, if miners are allowed to just mine more crypto rather than they have to be limited on how much they can mine. So this is gonna be a huge news in crypto. And again, we are now going towards the political news, where Biden administration is right now looking to pull an executive order on increasing crypto oversight, so which we might see that more regulation will come through. The Biden administration is reportedly planning to widen the scope of cryptocurrency oversight, and executive order is being considered for agencies to examine digital assets. So again, this is more government policies coming in, and this government policy specifically is mainly coming for the stable coins, especially for USDT, because it's directly competing with the US dollar, and the US government really wants to save the fiat, because US dollar is the Bitcoin for the US government, where Bitcoin is now, and other cryptocurrencies, is now becoming more like a global currency for the world. So this is the US government trying to bring in a regulation. I think it's going to be a good regulation, because it will be mainly affecting the stablecoin market, which is okay, because Bitcoin and other coins are right now very favorable by the governments, at the same time by big institutions who run those governments. So that's why you can see there is double policies are being played, and I think we cannot get away from regulations. So it's a good thing that regulations do come in, and we do support them, but at the same time we just need to be aware so that we can make our investing decisions on an appropriate manner and be successful rather than just be manipulated. Another news I would like to show you is there's a Bitcoin virtual summit happening right now, in about 27 days, on the 10th of November. This is the key people to watch out in this summit is Sheila Warren, which is the head of blockchain from the World Economic Forum, Raoul Pal, who is a very household name in crypto and a big supporter for crypto, and then Nishal Shetty, who is a CEO and the founder of Wazir X, which is the biggest exchange in India, and also owned by I think it's owned by Coinbase or Binance, one of those, and at the same time another CEO and founder of FTX, which is also one of the big exchanges in the crypto market. So if you want to sign up, you can just click on this link here and it will open this page where you can sign up for this summit. And it's a good summit to, if you want to learn about more about crypto and also where it's going. I'm going to probably be also taking part in this summit as well, just to gain more knowledge and probably give you a review once I've done so. But thank you guys for watching my channel and support. As always, love you all, and I will see you shortly with another video. And I hope you like this one, so please like, subscribe and share. And as always, love you all. Adios.